Today, several customers from Malaysia visited our factory in person. We'd like to take this opportunity to show you around our factory. We hope the images or videos or what you see meet your expectations. The first step when entering the factory is to put on a safety helmet. This is our equipment storage warehouse, where most of the manufactured equipment is stored. This 10-meter self-propelled scissor lift is the main object of the customer's inspection here. Next, our staff will explain the detailed functions and components of the equipment to the customer. Here is the hydraulic pump, hydraulic hoses, and other components of the equipment. Here are the equipment's batteries, chargers, and related components. After introducing the battery pack module, the next step is to show the client the platform section. Our equipment features a small ladder on each side, providing convenient access to and from the platform. Next, our professional staff will conduct an on-site presentation to ensure customers gain a comprehensive understanding of the equipment. Our sales team will also provide product knowledge briefings to other accompanying clients at the venue. The lifting, steering, forward and backward movement operations on the platform will also be demonstrated hands-on, enabling customers to comprehensively understand the equipment's performance. If you're interested in the specific parameters of the equipment, feel free to leave a message in the comments section. The customer's visit is still ongoing, and we'll see you in the next episode.